Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, Samsung is already working on its next 2018 flagship phablet, which will likely be called the Galaxy Note 9. While the device is yet to be confirmed, we've already heard several rumors about features that may or may not make it onto the Galaxy Note 9. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 expected to come with many features and high specifications, like the new Android 8 operating system, a dual camera setup, an in-display fingerprint sensor, will come also with 64 or 128 GB of storage with the option to expand the memory up to 2 TB, also the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and an advanced S Pen, etc. But the fact is that Samsung not the only company who work on that giant device. Another company is already working on a smartphone that will beat the Samsung's Galaxy Note 9. Sony is planning to launch another impressive flagship this year. As far as it concerns, the Sony Xperia Note features dual 21-megapixel rear cameras and 4K display. From the latest information, the Xperia Note is a monster hybrid between the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and futuristic Sony Xperia Edge. In details, Sony Xperia Note specs include a 6.2-inch OLED display with 4K resolutions of pixels. Besides, the display provides 95% screen-to-body ratio and 18:9 aspect ratio. Moreover, this Sony flagship display gets IP68 certified dust and water resistance. Under the hood, the Sony handset takes power from an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. On the other hand, Sony Xperia Note comes with two variants including 6GB RAM with 64GB ROM and 8GB RAM with 128GB ROM. In addition, the storage is expandable to 256GB via duct micro SD card. Moreover, the Xperia Note features a Sony Pen for its Note series and in-display fingerprint scanner. For the photography, Sony Xperia Note camera includes dual 21-megapixel rear cameras with an aperture of f1.5. Besides, the main camera provides dual OIS, laser AF, PDAF and AR compatible. Furthermore, the Xperia Note gets a 16-megapixel selfie camera with an aperture of f1.5 and a retina scanner support. Moreover, there exist dual top and bottom stereo speakers while the back panel is made of glossy metal glass. We can expect to see the Xperia Note flagship to debut in August 2018. Besides, Sony Xperia Note price falls around $845. In our opinion, this Sony monster brings both angular vibes of Samsung and premium technology from Sony. The handset seems to be truer to the Xperia identity without angled edges. What do you think about this upcoming flagship? Drop a comment to share with us your ideas and stay tuned. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time.
If you liked this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.